morning students, I am Kanchan here, your English teacher, and this time I have taken the poem No Men Are Foreign. In my previous video, I had explained you the first and second stanza. This time I am taking third, fourth and fifth stanza. So here fifth stanza. Okay. Now the poet is saying there in this poem that we all are human beings, we all are brothers and sisters on this land, because God has not made us as with any difference, and we all are equal in the sense of taking gifts, providing gifts by the God, and also in the form of our physical features, that we all have same eyes, nose, ears, hair, two arms and two hands and two legs. So here remember, they have eyes like ours that wake, means the poet is saying that here we have eyes, and others also have the same eyes when they also they sleep and they wake, and or sleep and strength that can be won by love, and it is love through which we can make themselves to be with love and care and affection, and we can make them to be growing up, to be grown up, to be growing up, to be developed. Means they have eyes, means others also have eyes as we have, and in every land is common life, means as we spend our life, as we start our life and we do hard work the whole day, and also in the night we sleep, the same thing is with all the people on this earth, that all can recognize and understand, that we can recognize, we can understand, anyone and everyone can understand us with love and care. We are courteous to love and sympathy like us, and even they can be won by love and affection. And also people submit themselves to the lovely feelings only, means we can won their affection, we can attach them with love. We have to support all the people on this earth. Whenever we go, life has a similar mechanism which is easily identifiable and can be understood with much ease. Summing up all these, the poet wants to say that no men are strange and no country is foreign, and all the people they need our love, care and affection, as we have to support them, so that everyone can develop, everyone can be progressive, everyone can be lead a very happy life. Next, let's remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it's ourselves that we shall dispose, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arms against each other. Here poet is just opposing of hating others. Poet doesn't want to hate anyone, and poet is saying this is very rubbish thing, this is inhuman that we hate anyone, and we excite others also to hate and to involve in war. It is totally wrong, and it is totally inhuman. We should not do like this. That doing this, we just betray others, we just make them to be exploited, and we just make them to be betrayed. So we should not do this. We should not deprive other peoples from the things that they should be, that they must be. So the poet says that not to commit any such wrong deeds, and not to degrade humanity. We have to be living here with brotherhood, with love, with care, affection and support, and we have to develop social means inequality. This means we have to develop the thing that makes the things that make our society to be developed. We should not be I should say, we should not discriminate any person. We should not inequality. Means equality must be there on this earth. So it is the human earth that we defile. Our hills of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no country is strange. The poet is totally opposing war. Here he is saying that we should keep ourselves from war, because this only makes this earth polluted. It also here human earth that we defile means making pollute, means when we start war, it pollutes our earth. And also the smoke of that war, the bomb explosion and all these activities that are done in war, that also make innocence to be polluted. They hurt them. So we should not follow war. The poet is saying that we should not involve ourselves in war and not others also, because this makes our earth polluted, and also it also disturbs purity of innocent people. They also become like that, and the air of this earth, it also polluted due to war, and there is totally pollution everywhere on this earth. So remember, no one is foreign, no one is strange, no country is a foreign country. It means the poet says that we should not spread hatred, we should not spread here, we should not discriminate, and we should be here living like a good human being on this earth. We should not be having hatred, jealousy, and also means we should not discriminate, we should not create inequality on this earth, and doing these things we are committing mistake, we are doing wrong things. In this way we are just committing crimes, and means we should not involve ourselves in war. So here totally the poet is talking about brotherhood, about human being, being good qualities, being kind to others, being generous to others. So now I am talking about the figure of speech. Here simile is when we say they have eyes like ourselves. Here simile, because we know well when some two things or things are compared using as and like, here is simile. And is this, and also next thing, is earth like this. So here also simile, where anything is compared and compared using simile, using like or as, it is only simile. Now here is also assonance, when repetition of vowel sounds, then it is assonance. Here aware of sun and air and water. So here a has been repeated, a vowel sound has been repeated here, so it is assonance. Then rhyming scheme is not here because it is in free verse. Okay students, I hope you would have understood well. Thank you and Jai Hind.